Hi ladies. I hope I can get this video going for you. Thank you so much for buying these kits. I had a really fun time making them for you. So I just wanted to go through quickly how to do each card. This one is very straightforward. I've already put the cardstock through this amazing embossing folder to get this pattern. You're going to have to attach the inside piece so that you can actually write on it. There's ribbon enclosed. I call this ribbon obnoxious ribbon. This is an obnoxious ribbon card. It's just so over the top, but the ribbon is such good quality. I'm just so in love with it. So I just did my bow, and let me actually, while I'll have you on the line, show you quickly how to make a bow, because that can help you. Let me just make sure I can still see. Okay, here I'm just going to show you quickly how to make a bow. So let's say you've tied this around something, you've done your knot, and then what you're going to do is you're going to make one loop like this, and then you're going to go around as if it was a shoelace. Oh, Minnie just walked into something. And then pull it. So now it looks like a really bad bow, but you don't stop there. You keep working on it. So you keep making those loops smaller, and then you pull out more on the loops until you're happy with the size of the loops. Oh, she just walked into something again. And then what you can do is pull the loops up and the tails down, and then you can get a really nice bow that way. So once you make the bow first, don't give up right away. It's not done. There's still work that you can do to it. Let me get this dog. Minnie, I'm doing something for Anne and Elizabeth. Come here. I'm doing something for the ladies, okay? All right, so that's a quick bow tutorial. So that's what I did on this. There's a little piece of paper here. There's one or two snowflakes. This one I actually cut in half, and I put half on this side and half down here. I didn't put this up on the dimensionals, which is the double-sided hexagonal guys. I just used my tear tape to attach this, but I do regret it. When in doubt, pop it up. So that's one card. And then the next one is a T card. So this paper is, these are a little bit different than what you have, but basically what I do is I start with the T and I just attach it with one dimensional. And then these items, I've made sort of like a little pocket. So they're only attached with my double-sided tape down here and then up here, so that it's kind of like a little pocket. You can pull this out and then there'll still be a cute card there. I've also hidden a gold doily behind this so that when you pull it out, it's still cute. I've included a bell and a pipe cleaner, which looks like traditional old-fashioned garland. So I think I already included the bow already made for you. So what I did is I slid the one side of the bow in through the bell, and then I just went around the center to keep it in place. The other thing I did is I put these big stickers on cardstock, because if not, then they're just gonna stick to all the stuff we don't want them to stick to. So I put all of these things on cardstock, and then I fussy cutted them out, and then I again just attached it down here and then up around here so that it's still kind of like a pocket. I did emboss this paper for you as well, and then I put, I already filled this one out. And then I put a piece of paper inside. Now, if you're sending these, it is kind of difficult to write on the ones that are attached already to the embossed paper. So you might want to write your message and then attach it with tear tape. So that's a T card. All right, so this one, I didn't know if you had any of the distress ink or not. So I just went ahead and distressed everything for you. So I used on this white cardstock, I used Tim Holtz vintage photo distress ink, as well as a gold pad. And then I also used a gold Wink of Stella marker just to go around it to make it more glittery. These doilies, I wish I had the package here to show you. These doilies are called royalies, and the price tag on them was 49 cents. So my mom found them in the Trash or Treasure sale in Florida and brought them back to me. So I have distressed those doilies for you. You're going to see how ancient they are when you have them in your hands. They're really delicate. So I distressed all that with a sponge and ink. This Santa Claus is also from Florida. It was a long garland that I think is supposed to sit on a mantle. I just want to make sure I'm still filming here. Sit on a mantle. So I just have been cutting them up and using them individually. Then there's some paper flowers in there and some velvet ribbon. I'm obsessed with velvet ribbon. It's my most favorite ribbon of all the ribbons. So what I did here is I put down my I guess some people call this background a mat, with my tear tape, and then I cut some of the flowers in half. And then I kind of layered them so that you could see the flower and then the doily and then the flower and the doily, just so that you could see more, because I found that it was really blending into the background. Then I put the other green flowers down here. There's a couple of short pieces of ribbon. I never get rid of the little tiny pieces of ribbon because I end up using them. So there's two little tails here. This ribbon and also this one I have attached with the dimensionals that I included for you in your kit. So they work so well. They're kind of my go-to epic crafting material that I could possibly never live without. So yeah, so that's what I did. So I really hope you enjoy the workshop that I have given you. Also, I'm including some Stroopwafel cookies, which I think you might have had already at my shop when I had that December 5th Dutch celebration a couple years ago. So there's some hot chocolate in your kits, and you're going to get a bag of Stroopwafels. So remember, you have to make your hot chocolate, and the cup has to be small enough that one of those cookies can sit right on top. And then as it warms up from the heat of your cup, it gets really ooey and gooey. So I hope you really enjoy that, and thank you again for always shopping with me, and I look forward to seeing you again, and I hope you've enjoyed Minnie's feet as well. So, all right, enjoy, ladies. Thank you.